Hey guys, this is ITS Service, and today we have the iPhone 6s Plus came to the shop with a backlight issue. So I opened the phone, take it apart, and under my microscope, it looked like someone tried to fix it a lot, and they try a lot. And do you guys see? So we supposed to have one, two, three backlight filters. So this is missing, this transistor is missing, like very bad. So what I'm gonna do, how we gonna fix this problem to have a backlight again? We go back to the ZXW here, guys. Okay, you go to iPhone 6s Plus. Here, iPhone 6 Plus. So we have 1, 2, 3. The FL4291 is missing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a backlight filter, hook it here to this, the C4053 capacitor here. Okay, and the other side of the filter I'm gonna hook here, is going to be to this test point here. So again, guys, I'm gonna take a backlight filter, connect it from here to the backlight I have. I'm gonna put it here, and then another wire, and then a wire between the other trays to my test point. And this is gonna fix the problem, and I'm gonna show you a video, guys, after I fix this. Okay, thanks for watching. We have the 6s Plus here. I want to show you guys what I did. Okay, so I put the green solution because I don't want anything to touch the ground. Look, guys, here, this capacitor, I put small backlight filter here. I connect it to here, okay, and it one side. The other side, I took the wire to my test point. Okay, this is just a temporary wire because I tested to this area. Okay, so now we have backlight filter. Because why I did this, like, to go back again to the video, because where is it? Here. Because my backlight filter is bad. So this things, the other things, what I figure, I think the guy like before me tried to fix it. The trace between the backlight filter and the third pin on my LCD connector was missing. So what I did, I took a piece of wire from this connection to this connection, because I found the spot little bit, like I can make a jumper. So now we made two jumper from the trace to the filter. This area is missing. We put a backlight filter to this capacitor beside the CPU and the backlight coil here, and then to the test point. So I wish you guys like understand what I did. Okay, again, I put a backlight filter. If you want to see this one here, I connect this side and the other side by wire to my test point, because I don't have the main backlight filter. Mine is missing, it's burnt, the one I show you on the top. So this is the jumper if you have a backlight missing here. Thanks, guys, for watching. Okay, guys, so this is the iPhone 6s Plus. I put it back together. So I put the shelf back, I put the green glue. You guys can see my wire, the jumper underneath all this. So time to test it. Yes, it's working. And yeah, we have dark spot here, so I'm gonna check this too. But now it's good things we have a backlight. Before the phone was working without backlight. This one I'm gonna test it because, like I told you guys, someone tried to fix this phone before me. So I'm gonna check the other filters. Working fine. Sorry. So I want to show you again, guys. Okay, phone came to the shop with the third filter here. This one, third one is missing. Okay, so what I did, I took a jumper between here to the test point, but what I did first, I put backlight filter here on the top here, backlight filter. I connected with this capacitor, and then I took a wire from here to test point, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching, and I wish you guys all the best. The phone 6splus fixed complete backlight, and I will show you guys why we have dark spot before. My phone is here. I checked the connector. First one, two, second one, third one. The third one was not reading at all, so I follow the trace. It's going to backlight filter here. On 1, 2, 3, number 4. I replace it, and we have a full backlight. Thanks guys for watching.